Hey guys, Andy here with Course Surf with our 3-in-1 kayak and paddleboard cart. And when I say 3-in-1, it can be used three different ways with a paddleboard, with a kayak, or with a kayak that has scupper plug holes. And all of them work really great with this cart. And you can see the wheels here. They're not inflatable, so they're not going to go flat. They are solid and they can go over sand and dirt. And this is a wide and adjustable cart. So it's really easy to adjust these with these arms. You can switch them three different ways. You can have it down so the kayak sits on top. You can have the bar lower so you can put a kayak on top. And then if you want the crossbar higher for a paddleboard, that makes it really easy to turn. And these do adjust. All you have to do is just twist the knobs, and these can be moved to fit exactly the width that you need, whether it's for your kayak or your paddleboard. And we also have two straps that are included with it. And you can see they just go right under the rings here. And it's really easy to strap those around your kayak or your paddleboard just to have some added strength while you're going through different terrain. And so what I like to do is I like to kind of loop each side. If I'm going to be doing stacking kayaks on top of each other with the sit on top style, what I'll do is I'll loop two around on each side. That gives me more room, and it's easier to put those on before I put the kayaks on. So the loops are there on the side, and then I can just strap and cinch them down once I'm ready to go. And you can see it's easy with two kayaks. You can even do more. Um, and it's really easy to carry. So it's a really great option for getting your kayaks to the beach and then just saving your arms and your energy while you're going. So that's it. That's the 3-in-1 paddleboard and kayak cart by Core Surf. Go check it out. Thanks.